Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to switch accounts in Honor of Kings. First thing I'd like you to do is to launch Honor of Kings and log into your current account. Then tap on the gear icon, which is at the top right corner of the lobby, to open the settings. So now that you're within the settings, check to the left, and from the left navigation panel ensure that you're in the basic screen. So once you click on basic, scroll the way down and you're going to see this logout option. Tap logout. I don't want to log it now because I'm going to show you what you do. Then confirm to log out. To properly switch accounts, you must also sign out of your connected social app. That's for WeChat and QQ. So open the WeChat app, go to Me, go to Settings, go to Logout. Then sign in with your other WeChat accounts when returning to the game. Now, of course, in the Honor of Kings app, after logging out, log back in with another account. For QQ, use QQ similarly. Open QQ, go to Profile, go to Settings, go to Logout, then select your new QQ account when logging into Honor of Kings. Then log in via the desired account. We'll launch Honor of Kings. On the login screen, tap Play with WeChat Friends or Play with QQ Friends or Facebook, whichever method you're using. If prompted, go ahead and tap More and tap on Switch Accounts, then enter the credentials for the new WeChat or QQ account or Facebook account or whatever. You can also confirm the switch by checking the avatar or unique name in the top left of the main lobby. It should reflect the new login. The game doesn't support in-game direct multi-account switching, so you must log out of both the game and associate to show up first. Each Honor of Kings account is permanently tied to the social login used, so there is no direct transfer or re-binding to a different WeChat or QQ once linked. So go over the tutorial from top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.